Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today I'm announcing that the 5 people that won the giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm so excited about this. Y'all, before we get into this, I want to say thank you so much for each and one of you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for liking and for commenting. You guys, you have no idea how much this really means to me. So please, if you watch my videos, please don't forget to, hit that like button and comment something, anything. And like I said it before, not only that it makes me so happy to hear from you, but it also helps me get recognized by YouTube just a little bit more. Okay, y'all, listen. I have to tell you something. So because this is gonna be a short video, I have to tell you something. I always want to talk a lot and tell you something in all of my videos, but then I end up cutting it out because my videos are too long. So whenever I get a chance to put my stories in, I will. So guys, I discovered today that I can put my hair back in a bun. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I used to have longer hair, but it was always in a bun. It's for a reason. First of all, I don't want to do anything to it. I'm home. I'm comfortable with it in a bun. It stays there. And second of all, it falls a lot, especially after my first pregnancy. My hair just falls out. I'm losing it. I can't have it down. So I'm always like kind of keeping it there, hoping that my hair just stays in and I don't become bald. But anyways, I ended up cutting it. My aunt was here during the summer. She's like, why are you always having your hair in a bun? You have beautiful hair. Let it out, Why you always put it in a bun? I said, well, I'm comfortable to put it in a bun like this, but fine. I cut my hair, so I can have it down. I even cut bangs. Now I'm so uncomfortable. I constantly hide them. And for 2 months, I didn't think that from that short hair, I can make a bun. Today I tried. I put in a bun, whatever was falling down, I put it back with like little clips. And I'm back to the bun situation. I don't know what my aunt is gonna say. I don't know what my mom is gonna say. Because they always say like, stop it with the bun, show your hair. It's pretty. I'm like, nah. So yeah, no, I don't even like to go get my nails done. Oh my God, it takes so long. So when you see my nails, I do them at home. By the way, fact that you guys didn't know, I used to be a nail technician. Actually, I used to do facials too and everything. So I came to this country when I was 15. Shortly after that, I turned 16. I went to school immediately because I wanted to work while I was in high school. And I was like, well, I might as well do something that it's fun. And then, that was fun for me. So I worked, doing nails, facials and things like that through high school and then a little bit into college too. And I had to, when I came to this country, I had to go a grade down just because I didn't speak English well at all, almost nothing. But I quickly learned it. I graduated beautifully. So yeah, you guys didn't know that, but it's been years and years and years that I haven't done them. What is like 15, 17, I don't know, that I haven't been working doing this. But yeah, okay, you guys, let's get into this. Once again, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting me and for coming with me on this journey. I'm so excited. By the way, it's really interesting because my uncle, the one that came here during the summer that I keep talking about, Uncle Vladimir and my Aunt Luba, he reads my comments all the time, and every time almost he calls me and says, Marta, it's just so amazing to read your comments. These people are like family to you. I'm like, it really is. They're just so nice and so sweet. He said, it's just a pleasure to look through the comments because they're so nice. They're so loving, really coming from the heart. I'm like, I know. I'm just like I am blessed to have y'all. I love you so much. Okay. Drum rolls, please. So let's do this. We'll start with the first bed sheet right here. So this sheet now belongs to, or will shortly belong to, Katie Perks. I think I'm saying it right. I don't know. Katie Perks, P-E-R-X, I think. I'm so sorry if I'm not. So this is what Katie said. Hey girl, looking lovely as always. Thank you. Nice giveaway you got going on there, missus. I am in love with the bedding set. I love big cats. So do I. They're so powerful. Their eyes and everything. Big cats are just amazing. You look much happier. It's really nice to see you, hon. I have an idea. Is there a way I can talk privately with you, such as email, sending you much love, sending you more love back? And yes, email me at MommyBoVision@gmail.com anytime you'd like, and we'll take it from there. So Katie, congratulations. This bed sheet now belongs to you, and I cannot wait to send it to you, and I hope you love it. I really hope you love it. Okay, the next is the pink sheet, and this one will soon, oh, and Katie, thank you so much for the lovely message. This message touched me. Actually, a lot of these messages, you guys, are just touching me in a way that you have no idea. I thank you so much. It's just so lovely. It just does something to me internally, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Okay, the pink set now belongs to Jenny May. I think it's May, M-E-I, yeah? So that's what Jenny said. Jenny, thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating, and thank you so much for commenting and for liking and for supporting me. Thank you so much. So Jenny said this: congrats on 1K plus subscribers. That is a huge milestone. I'm actually reading. I put all 5. I'm such old school. I put all 5 comments on each page over here, and I'm reading because I'm filming on my phone, so I can't read from there. But anyways, that is a huge milestone. My favorite items are the pink flower bed set, it's yours, the blue stripe bed set, and the tiger bed set. Everything was stunning. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Please enter me in the giveaway. Done, and you won. Done, you won. Okay, Jenny, thank you so much again. This now belongs to you. Cannot wait to send it to you. I hope you love it. The next one is the black purse, and the black purse goes to Elizabeth Baker. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for participating. Thank you so much for supporting me. You guys, actually, I'm getting the same emotions that I got last time when I did the 500 subscribers giveaway. I'm almost shaking. I'm usually never at loss for words or uncomfortable or nervous. This one is making me so happy that I'm almost like nervous. I don't know how to explain. Okay, this is what Elizabeth said. Hey Marta, hope you and family are doing well. I'm so glad I found your channel. You are just a sweet, caring person. I can tell from your personality, which just makes you so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mwah, I wish I can hug you so tight. I love the black purse. It's yours. And the animal print bedding. I think they look the best. Please keep making these videos, because when I watch you, I feel I'm visiting a very close friend. Love you all and wish you and the family the best lives ever. Thank you so much. Thank you. I actually remember replying to this comment too. Usually I try to reply to all the comments, but anyways, I do remember replying to this because it's just like, I remember like it took my breath away. Thank you so much. Thank you, Elizabeth. This purse is yours. I think it's gorgeous. I hope you love it, and I cannot wait for you to receive it. Okay, the 10 purse goes to Michelle McCoy. Michelle, thank you so much for participating and for commenting and for being there for me and for your support. Thank you so much. So this is what Michelle said. Your hair is pretty. Thank you. I put it in a bun now, so. But I know you liked it when it was cut and it was done. I remember you commented back then too. I really enjoy your videos. Thank you so much, Michelle. You are so nice to give back. The tiger sheet set is beautiful. The 10 purse is gorgeous. Okay, well, this is yours. I hope you love it. I did not take them out because you guys saw them in the previous video, so you know how they look. But this is the 10. Michelle, it's yours. I cannot wait to send it to you. And this is the black. I'll show it now. But y'all know how it looks. So thank you so much to Michelle and everyone. And last but not least is this blue striped king 4-piece sheet set. And this goes to Robin Green. Robin said, if I win anything, I'll be grateful. And you won something. You won this beautiful striped blue king bed sheet set. And I hope you love it, Robin. Thank you so much, Robin, for your continued support. You comment all the time. I know, I remember. I remember most, like, I think I remember y'all. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Now, listen, before, and congratulations. Before I let y'all go, on my Instagram, I will post, yes. So remember that I did this wish jewelry mystery box haul? Actually, I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. I'm gonna give it another, like, let's say 5 days or 10, whatever. Okay, what's today? Today it is Tuesday. Let's do on Sunday. I'll stop this. Go and watch that video for those that haven't and see if you like any jewelry from there, because I'm giving 5 jewelry from there. They're custom jewelry, nothing, you know, but hey, it's not about, it's the thought that counts, right? So if you guys like anything from there, comment on my Instagram or comment there on YouTube, and I am going to announce it on Instagram who won. Or maybe I'll do it, no, yeah, it's gonna be on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do it. MommyBoVision, just like my YouTube channel. That's how my Instagram is. What else? Oh God, I always love talking, and I feel like now I have to say bye to y'all, and it's actually kind of sad. But I'm gonna keep this short because this is, you know, this is not supposed to be a long video. So I love you guys. Thank you so much again. And for those of you that didn't win, do not worry, because I'm gonna do more of these giveaways. Another one is coming up soon, so don't worry about it, guys. And the more subscribers I get and the more this channel blossoms, the more I'll be able to give back anyway. So okay, y'all, well, with that said, I'm gone. Bye.